Good morning, everyone. It's 7 o'clock as we head down to FedEx Field for the Commies and Eagles game. We got about a 2.5 hour drive ahead.
Road tripping, baby.
We're road tripping. I am so pumped. We're both super pumped to get down there. Hopefully the weather holds off. It seems like it's maybe going to. It's been iffy all week, but it seems like about 5 o'clock that maybe the rain will settle in. That's good. The game will be over. But the thing is, if it does rain, it benefits the birds, but I ideally don't want to sit in the rain. But
No.
We'll see. We're on the way. As of now, it's nice. Seems not too bad, only 2.5 hours for us because of how early it is, but we'll keep you updated as we get closer and closer, and then when we get down to the field. So see you guys then. We have arrived.
We're here, baby. FedEx Field. You're looking live at FedEx Field in Washington, D.C., Landover, Maryland.
Lots of green. I'll take a little photo, but there's a little video, but there's a lots of green. It's a little weird getting here compared to the link, but we're here. We're set. So far, weather's hold up. It's not too bad. It's windy. What's new? Even at the Birds games, it's always windy. But we'll have more videos when we get inside, but we're ready, man. I'm feeling good. The vibes are high, even on the road. So let's go, baby.
Go, Birds.
I know. Sorry. Well, we have taken command, baby. Coming on the road with another statement win. Slim Reaper game today, baby. Fans showed up. Look at all the green, man. Look at all the green. There's a lot of green here. It was so loud during the game. They came and handled business. Started slow. It's not over yet, but it's over.
Hey, Devontae became a man today.
Heck yeah, baby. Go Birds.